Hello, dear students. Welcome to DAV Model Public School. I hope you're doing great with the chapter of sound. This is the last video of this chapter, so let's begin. Previously, we have studied about sound, characteristics of sound, waves, different characteristics of waves. Now, in this video, we will discuss what is the difference between noise and a music. The sound that produces a pleasing effect on our ears is called as music, whereas the sound which produces an unpleasant or an irritating effect on our ears is called a noise. So as you can see, this this lady is um, singing with the help of a flute. So the noise produced with the help of flute is a pleasing in nature. So hence we will say it is a music, whereas a drum is being banged by this kid, a harsh sound is being created, so it is considered as a noise. Whereas this sound created by the flute is a pleasing sound. This is an irritating sound. So this is a music, whereas this is a noise. Now, if we analyze in terms of graph, the musical note look like this. A high scale and a lower scale is there, whereas noise music, the scale varies. Here, there is a difference between a scale, and some node is extremely small, some node is extremely high. Here, this pitch is very different and this pitch is very different. So musical note pitch goes like this, whereas sound new music or the noise music goes like this. Now, musical instrument create different noise or different music. So instrument that produce a musical note are called as musical instrument. So this is a musical note: high range, low range, high range, low range. A pattern musical note is there. Whereas, depending upon this node of production of music, the instruments are classified accordingly. The instrument which produce a pleasing or a musical note like this, a musical instrument, whereas this is a noisy instrument. The instrument that produce music by vibrating string, like guitar, if an individual who is uh, singing with the help of a guitar, a musical note would be created. Whereas a person which is banging, a noise would be created. So vibrating means any sort of instrument which is vibratory one, that is a musical instrument. Whereas the instrument that produce a vibrating membrane, for an instance, if a person who is banging a drum, so the first portion of a drum is a membrane. So an instrument with the help of a instrument, that membrane is being vibrated, so it will produce a noisy effect. Whereas an instrument that produce a music by vibrating air, as we have seen previously, that lady was singing with the help of flute. So she was vibrating with the help of an air. She was playing with an air. So music was created. As you can see over here, this lady was vibrating air. Some block was being blocked and some block in this flute was open. So musical note was created. So it was vibrating air. Whereas this drum is a vibrating membrane, and vibrating string is nothing but vibration of a guitar. So based on this type of instrument, a musical instrument is being characterized. Now this slide is almost same. Now noise pollution, what exactly do you mean by noise pollution? A noise pollution is simply the disturbance or the excessive noise that may harm the activity or the balance of a human life being. That is a noise pollution. Anything which is impacting our ears, that is noise pollution. There might be n number of instrument from which the disturbance would occur. For an instrument, this is an or if you take an example of helicopter, the noise created with the help of helicopter is considered as a noise pollution. A drilling machine, and so now sound of an ambulance, bus, or sound of a mixer grinder creates a huge impact into our ears. So it ultimately affects our ears, hence it is known as noise pollution. Or you can even say it even affects animal lifestyle. Now, different sources of noise pollution. These are different sources of noise pollution. As you can see, car, this megaphone, this grilling machine, guitar, all these are some sources of noise pollution. Sources means a medium from which a noise is created. Now, effects of noise pollution on a human or a living creature: it creates an irritation, nervousness, sleep disturbance, increased blood pressure, and increased stress. So these are certain effects of noise pollution. Now, how can one control noise pollution? Some precautionary measures needs to be followed in order to control noise pollution, such as source modification, such as acoustic treatment to machine surface design changes limit the operational timing. Now, acoustic treatment in machine surface. Machine surface, for an instant, if a machine is there, acoustic environment or an acoustic treatment means a medium, a source from which a material is there. Acoustic medium means nearby the surrounding from which sound gets reflected. So that medium should be an acoustic medium, wherein an absorption material should be there. The sound created would be absorbed by that material. That is an acoustic medium. Whereas design the limiting operational timing. Whereas if you take an example of any machine, if it is operated for a longer duration of time, it hampers. So one should design a machine which consumes less time, so less amount of noise pollution is there. Second important thing about roadway noise can be reduced through the use of noise barrier. Some barriers should be there that they should not be on in this particular zone. Speed limit should be there, that sound range should be in only in certain particular zone. Hold on for a second. Now, aircraft noise can be reduced by an engine which creates a lesser sound. Rescheduling takeoff and landing times should be used so that there is no crowd of, of a plane in one particular zone. So the rescheduling of takeoff and landing time should be there, so lesser planes are there on runway. Now, some other sources like planting bushes and trees in and around and generating a sound and an effective solution for noise pollution should be operated. Regular servicing and tuning of automobiles can effectively reduce noise pollution. Servicing of different automobiles like car, all different mopeds can be done frequently, so that the noise pollution is less. Building can be designed while suitable noise absorbing materials like wall, window, and ceiling. So wherever one individual is staying, wall, windows, pillow, cushions should be there so that reverberation is not occurring, multiple reflection is not occurring. So this sort of instrument should be there. Workers should be provided with equipment such as earplugs, earmuffs for hearing protection. So workers who frequently work where there is enough amount of noise pollution, so they should be provided with earmuffs so that the ear is not damaged. So this sort of precautionary measures should be used. Now, hearing impairment. So hearing impairment means that a person has damaged hearing ability and cannot hear properly. So an individual who is not able to hear properly is considered as a hearing impairment person. Some people are born with a poor hearing sense, while some gets affected as the life progress. So based on these characteristics, the hearing impairment has been characterized. The people with less poor hearing are said as a deaf. Deafness is a total hearing impairment, wherein a person cannot hear entirely, whereas partial deafness is due to injury, illness, or due to old age. So, based on these two definitions, one can recognize the hearing impairment person. Now, different hearing signs are being employed so that they find it easy to survive. So, there are certain hearing signs which have been created for hearing impairment persons. So, as you can see, A, according for understanding hearing deaf person, A is used as this, B is used as this, C is used as this, and so on. So, I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.